3, page 1. Organic compounds. Organic versus inorganic molecules. All life is made from organic molecules. Organic molecules contain the elements carbon and hydrogen. We're not talking here about organic foods, which is a different topic. We're talking about organic molecules. Types of organic molecules include carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, otherwise known as fats, and nucleic acids. When something is considered inorganic, they are also for life functions, but we're thinking about things like minerals, like sodium, potassium, and water. Carbohydrates, as we can see in the diagram above, contains both the elements carbon, we can see the C's, and hydrogen, which makes it an organic compound. The polymer, or large molecule of carbohydrates, is called starch. The monomer, or small molecule of carbohydrates, the building block of carbohydrates, is considered glucose. So we can say that starch is digested into glucose, or glucose is synthesized into starch. This means again that starch is a large molecule and glucose is a smaller molecule. The purpose of carbohydrates in the body is to provide energy. Some food sources that are high in carbohydrate content include bread, pasta, rice, vegetables, and sugar. Proteins are another organic compound, and proteins, the polymer, are proteins, but the monomer is something called amino acids. So again, proteins are digested into amino acids, and amino acids are synthesized into proteins. Do you remember which cell organelle synthesizes proteins? If you said ribosomes, you're correct. The purpose of proteins in the body includes cell structures, enzymes, antibodies, which are involved in your immune system, and hormones, which are involved in your endocrine system. Food sources include meat, fish, beans, and eggs. The next type of carbon compound are the lipids or the fats. You can see the picture of the cell membrane above because, again, lipids are an important part of our body. A polymer of a lipid is just fats, and the monomer is actually two, fatty acids and glycerol. So again, we say that fats are digested into fatty acids and glycerol, and fatty acids and glycerol are synthesized into fats. The purpose of fats in the body include your cell membrane or plasma membrane, insulation in the body, as well as fats can be used for energy. Some food sources of fats include oil and butter. The final carbon compound are called nucleic acids. Nucleic acids, the polymer, is either DNA or RNA. The monomer are nitrogenous bases, so we say DNA is digested into nitrogenous bases, or nitrogenous bases are synthesized into DNA. The purpose of nucleic acids are to make up our genetic code. So for our summary, let's see if you can identify which example goes with which type of organic molecule. What type of organic molecule is glucose? What type of organic molecule are enzymes? What type of organic molecule is DNA? What type of organic molecule is starch? What type of organic molecule is RNA? And what type of organic molecule make up membranes? What type of organic molecule make up nitrogenous bases? And last, what type of organic molecule make up antibodies? Pause the video here so that you can guess before we reveal the answers. And we have our answers. Glucose is a carbohydrate. Enzymes are a type of protein. Nucleic acids include RNA. Starch is a type of carbohydrate. RNA is a type of nucleic acid. Membranes are a type of lipid. Nitrogenous bases are a type of nucleic acid. And antibodies are a type of protein.